What's up guys, back bass fishing here. As you seen in the last video, we whacked 26 and a band. We're out scouting right now. We actually jumped a goose. I shot my first goose of the trip. Probably won't shoot the rest of the time, but we're watching a feed right now of about 115, and we got permission on it. It was electronically posted, so shouldn't have to deal with any other guys out here. And hopefully the birds come back tomorrow morning, but it's a cut rye field. Looks like they just cut it. The bales are still out in the field, so should make for an interesting hunt. We'll catch you guys tomorrow when they're setting up in the field. Maybe I can get some clips of these geese when they're getting up. So let's see, catch you guys later.
This is day 2, the 27th. This is after the scout. This is in the morning actually. We are out in the field and we're on top of a hill right here, right where all the geese were sitting last night. There's a little pond down there, a little pond down here. It's a little rolling, hilly field. I don't know how many dozen we got out.
Like 15.
We got 15 dozen full bodies out, and then our hide here, a little better than yesterday. We found a hay bale, and we marked the hay bale, and this is a prime looking hide. So hopefully we get them. There was like 200 in here last night, so hopefully they show up. It's a little foggy, a little misty, and we got a decent wind out of the south at about approximately 9 miles an hour. So it should come right up to gut. Alright, that's all for now, folks. Thank you.
Go him! Oh shit! Go him! Oh shit! Woo!
Shit. Might have to shoot him out the back? No.
Go! Oh shit, shoot that wasp. Big group. Okay.
I can't fit them all in my frame.
Well, that's a good thing.
Get way down.
Yeah.
They're gonna shortstop.
Go him!
Hey, he's coming back, coming back.
Get out, get out, get out!
Nice.
Yeah, the whole flock!
Kill him! Oh, fuck yeah. Nice boy.
Is that all of them?
Ready? I almost got him.
Oh, you got. This is the mid-morning update. It is currently 8:02. This morning, early, around 7 o'clock, we had some pretty big groups come in, probably like 15 to 20, and we mowed them pretty good, 3 or 4 flocks of those. And then as it got lighter out, there's a pond right here, probably 50, 70 yards away, and they started landing in that. They weren't hungry, so we bumped them out, and then had another flock come in, and then we just had a flock fly over and we dropped 2 out of it. And so yeah, now we're just waiting for more to come feed because the fog was pretty heavy this morning. Now it's really coming off, but yeah, we'll see what happens.
Get way down.
Just let him go. Let him go.
They might.
Get down, cover up. There's more to the left.
Might be all you.
Out the back.
Let him get to the middle. Jump! Holy shit, boys. That was not good. Oh, yeah.
You want me to call it?
Where are they at?
Go!
Alright guys, we're just wrapping her up for the day. I think we ended up with 36. We're just piling them up. We hit the pile pick, take some pictures of the boys, and then gonna go eat some breakfast and maybe get a hunt tonight. So maybe we'll get the full day video vlog. So we'll get some vids of the boys and see how the hunt was.